एक्साइटमेंट के लेवल की बात जब फिल्म साइन कर रहे होते हैं उस समय, लाइक ऑफ कोर्स इट्स बीन सो मेनी इयर्स इन द इंडस्ट्री, इतनी सारी चीजें कर ली हैं आप दोनों ने, तो अभी भी वो एक्साइटमेंट आता है कि यार नया प्रोजेक्ट शुरू कर रहे हैं, या ठीक है ना, ऑफ कोर्स इट्स मृणाल ठाकुर मेरे सामने या इट्स आदित्य रॉय कपूर मेरे सामने, ऑफ कोर्स वी आर को एक्टर्स, सो लाइक एक ही इंडस्ट्री में है, ऐसा होता है क्या? लाइक एक्साइटमेंट इज देयर
On the day I'm signing a film, or the day I say yes to a film, I'm the most messed up. I'm not. I don't. It's not like I'm happy because I feel like because then you're committed. And then there's so much you have to do. You know, you have so much work. You're gonna it's not about not wanting to do the work, but then you know, shit. Abhi now this is going to be I'm signing off my life.
Yes.
I'm signing away my life for the next 8 months, na? So it's like now, so it's a big decision. So I'm messed up on the day I sign something.
Right. For you?
I am to like dancing because I have always worked with the actors. I've really appreciated my dream. मतलब मेरा ख्वाब था कि मैं उनसे एक मुलाकात, like I would just meet them once, and here I am spending like 80-90 days on a movie set, living my dream. Not just that, but when I sign a movie, I don't like, I love my parents, but मैं हमेशा उनको पूछती हूँ मुझे क्यों टीवी से और फिल्मों से दूर रखा while I was growing up. Imagine if I watched the movies then, I would be, मुझे कितना knowledge होता पता है. So today whenever I sign a movie, I would go back and I watch that person's filmography,
right,
so that I understand why he's chosen those films, what state of mind, you know, or how he makes those characters different from one another,
right,
and what was the main agenda of that particular actor to do this film. More than anything, you know, Nitin, I feel like I like watching interviews also, because that's the only time you get to interact with the actor, with the person that he is, and not just the actor. I mean, there are so many things about Aditya that I didn't know while I was filming. You know, on a film set, it's just like getting into your hair makeup outfit. Do you prep, and on set you're always focused. थोड़ी बहुत बातचीत हो गई तो हो गई, but this is the time where you actually get to know about each other, and it is so inspiring.
Right.
Like a person who I have looked up to always and appreciated his or her work, and to be on a movie set, it's a dream.
You know, this thing जो ये बात आप कर रहे हो ना, यही आपको एक कमाल की एक्टर बनाता है, I think, because you love it. वो दिख रहा है that you love your job so much. और वो that सच्चाई is there, you know. जब भी मैं आप दोनों से बात कर रहा हूँ, ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे भी, उससे पहले भी फिल्मों में और अभी भी, that सच्चाई is there, and I think ये बड़ा काम करता है यार आप दोनों के लिए.
यार नितिन, इसीलिए क्योंकि मैं बहुत छोटे शहर से बिलोंग करती हूँ, तो मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं, मुझे इनफैक्ट अभी भी यकीन नहीं होता है कि मुझे इतने अच्छे एक्टर्स के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. नॉट जस्ट दैट, बट टू वर्क विद द बेस्ट फिल्म मेकर्स ऑफ यू नो इंडिया. इट्स अ ड्रीम come true.
Yes. फिल्मोग्राफी की आपने बात की. How do you see this? अपनी फिल्मोग्राफी में गुमराह कहाँ देखने वाले हो आप, आदि भाई?
I think वो 7th April की बात नहीं.
हाँ, मैं कैरेक्टर के हिसाब से बोलूँ, आपके हिसाब से बोलूँ तो.
I think for me it's a genre that I've been enjoying. First time मैंने मलंग में की थी. You know, it was a thriller with the night manager, and this it feels like a phase where I'm doing these. So I think in hindsight, I don't know how I'll look back at it, but I definitely feel proud of it. I feel proud. I've seen the film. I'm proud of it, and I think that we've made something interesting. As an actor, I got to learn a lot. मुझे double role करने का मौका मिला, which doesn't come by every so often.
Yes.
I'm already proud of the film, and I hopefully be proud after the 7th.
I'm sure ऐसा होगा. गानों की बात अगर मैं करूं, you know, बहुत दिन बाद कुछ fresh सुनने को मिला है. So that is also very cool.
Right, that song, Sonia, yeah, cool, right? Nice
कुछ अलग बहुत दिन बाद सुनने को मिला है. लग रहा है yes, this is something that I want to listen to again and again. How was it for you guys?
मैं तो हमेशा I wasn't a part of the song, but it's definitely a song which is the first one that plays while I'm driving.
Right.
क्योंकि मुझे वो vibe, you know,
it's got a cool Daft Punk like synth you were saying, right? That.
And when I meet my college friends, like, चल तुझे मेरी पिक्चर का गाना सुनाती हूँ, and then we just like go dancing and driving, गीड़ी लेके, क्या कहते हैं,
गीड़ी चलने,
गीड़ी मारने निकल, हाँ, whatever. Very bad at it. It's a cool track, and it grows on you.
I think the idea was to create something thoda alag, and I think Vardhan and Murad sir waited for a long time, looked for a long time for a song, and finally they found this one. So I'm glad you're saying that it feels different.